Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, just wanted to show you a couple new ferns that we've picked up recently, as well as some of the yucca flowers that have finally come into full flower. It seems this year has been brilliant for yuccas. You'll have to let me know in the comments section below if you've had any or noticed any sort of difference on your yuccas this year, if they started flowering for the first time, anything like that. But just as we look down here, so you can see here, this is a Polysticum neobaltum. Lovely kind of fern, kind of a glossier leaf on it. This should be evergreen. I think it'll go nice in this little area here, just below where the waterfall section is. You can just see, also added just a log I've picked up from the forest. Just had a bit of moss on it there. You can just see it's sort of adding a nice touch. I want to kind of build this little edge here as well. Looking down next to that, we've added one of the Asplenium. So here's your hart's tongue fern, another evergreen fern. Again, I like the kind of structure on these. Kind of maybe the least fern looking fern, if you will, but you know, I do like these, and they form nice sort of clumps. Our one up by the main waterfalls over there, or main water feature in the center bed, has come in quite nicely with some new growth this year. You can just see now, if we take a look, I'll try and get a view. I'm going to come down here. So we've added another Aerosaurus Brilliance there, which you can just see the kind of red goldeny kind of new fronds on that one. Lovely little plant there, and I'm just going to come back in again. And here, this is a Doropterus atrata. Oh, it's pulling on my finger, not on the plant. Again, another one that's I think kind of will fit in nicely in this area. I'm trying to get a few more ferns down the back bit here. The tree ferns, again, looking lovely. I'm catching it in the kind of evening sunlight, been a lovely warm day here. If you haven't yet seen it, did put out a short on this, but if you have a look at the new fronds coming in off of this Japanese painted fern, or Erythrium niponicum, really lovely on that. I love how it's like a very dark kind of purple, and you can just see kind of seeded sort of silvery in there. Obviously the mature fronds come out and look like this. You get that lovely vein and the lovely silver on those as well. Beautiful fern to have, and for me does remain perennial, does die back. It's not sort of an evergreen. We'll just come down the jungle path here, and you might also see got the little waterfall working on here. We come down, another one. This one's coming to flower as well, Yucca. Lovely dainty little flowers on these. Beautiful little plant, and I love this one. It has also been an evergreen for me as well. Just coming down here. Sorry for the mess, guys. Again, we've had just an enormous amount of weeds and things growing. Just as we come here, you can just see. I'll try and block the light out. The lovely yucca flowers here. This one's got, I think it's 6 spikes on it. If we turn and take a look here, this one has got 2. And yeah, again, this part has gotten hugely overgrown with these grasses. This grass is about 6 foot tall now, and you can see the bracken here has come up. This is nearly 5 foot tall as well, and it's completely enveloped the Trachycarpus palm under there. Same with the volcano. Again, I need to kind of rearrange this area a little bit. Little bubbling stream, still working nice. Bubbling stone, still working nice here. Just coming in close though, just to show you these flowers. And you can just see lovely sort of bell-shaped flowers on these. These are edible plants. But with that said, lovely show, and these spikes on here, probably somewhere in the order of about 2.5 to 3 foot. You can see this one's kind of completely filled in here as well. And I'll take a little step back, trying to get stabbed. See Tetrapanax. Lovely huge leaves at the moment. And just looking at it there, you can just see decent sized trunk on this one. And the flowers really kind of just add that nice little, you know, cherry on top, if you will, there. Lots of other flowers out in the garden here. Again, this has gotten hugely overgrown. I'll just take you just up to the fire pit area. You can see, I think this is a toad flax, if I will. It's just a natural sort of wildflower here in the UK. And just coming up here, you can see the end of the Xanthodecia, getting a little bit of new flowers coming in. I'm going to have to go back and kind of trim off all the old ones. And just as we come in here, celebration roses. Just love the kind of look on these. I'll try and see if I can get, that's it. Lovely rose on that side, and it's got quite a few of them here, fully enveloped by the hops. Another one of the yuccas flowering as well. And you can just see into our center patch, we've got this patch soon to flower. Lovely flowers on that one. This one's got about 5 or 6. You can see where the Yucca rostrata's gone in. I think it looks quite nice there. Open up this area here with the Musa sycamensis. And just as we come around here, just to show you, here's one of the other heart-stung ferns that's kind of come back to life a lot nicer this year. I think got sunburned quite badly last year. And your traditional just English poppies. I'll let these self-seed around the garden, but I do, once they kind of die off and whatnot, and I will try and get them out before going to seed, as they are popping up everywhere. And again, I don't mind them. I'll let them go to flower for the most part. I have weeded a lot of them out, but for the most part here, again, not one that I'm not too fussed if it kind of grows. And you can just see here some of the sedums going into flower. Lovely little plants on that side. But we'll do a sort of full garden update within the next kind of week or so, just trying to let a few more things come out before we do. But with that said, guys, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be in the comment section below. Of course, if you're not subscribed, feel free to join our amazing community. And with that said, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.